few months ago I had an RV sail switch that became unreliable and then failed, so I decided to make a couple of modifications to make inspection and basic fault checking easier. This is the diagnostic label. It's under a metal panel held on with 4 screws, and that red LED is the indicator. The sail switch is behind the black plastic cover of the fan and takes an additional 4 screws to remove. The 2 vertical slots in the plastic cover are the first modification. The slots are roughly 1/8 inch by 2 inches and allow you to see the sail switch lever and jiggle the sail switch lever to make sure it's moving freely. The second modification is drilling 3 holes 1/2 inch in diameter. The first one straight across from the LED so you can see it blinking without taking the cover off. The second 2 holes are positioned to give you 2 options. The first option is to look in the top hole while pointing a small LED flashlight in the bottom to see if the sail switch is moving appropriately. The second option is to insert a small wire to jiggle the sail switch and ensure it's freely moving. The last change is to add 2 pieces of heavy-duty clear tape to prevent air, water, and bug ingress.